Please come in.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning,
Are you Miss Maritza?
Yes, I'm Miss Maritza.
Oh,
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Are you get here by yourself or by Gojek?
It's by myself.
Oh, you
I
drove your car.
Yes.
Okay. What's how's life?
Okay, my life, I wish always
Great.
good.
Okay, that's good. Are you eaten yet?
Yes, of course.
Okay, with what?
With myself.
Not with your boyfriend.
No, I don't have boyfriend.
Okay, let us jump to the interview,
Yes,
yeah?
I miss.
Okay. So my first question is, can you tell me about yourself because I don't know you yet?
Okay. My name is Maritza Adriane. I'm first graduate from Universitas Brawijaya, especially majoring in public administration. During my undergraduate years, I was actively involved in organization and communication related active, including serving as public relation, MC on Jejak Sinergi, a collaboration between FTUGM and BEM VUB. This experience strengthened my skill in communication, teamwork, project coordination, and stakeholder engagement. I'm passionate about strategic communication and internal branding, and I'm eager to apply my analytical and organization skill in professional setting.
Okay, so back in your university era, you are an active student.
Yes,
So you never get bored, like you always do something
Yes,
with benefit.
yes,
Okay,
of
great.
course.
Our company needs someone like that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so it will be your pointless.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, next question. Why are you interested in this position?
I'm interested in this position because it aligns closely with my passion for communication strategy, organization behavior, and public engagement. Areas I explore deeply in my academy and organization experience. This role provides the opportunity to contribute to internal communication brand, positioning, and cross-division project management, which are all areas when I believe I can grow and add value. I'm excited to support senior management and be part of initiatives that engage corporate culture, reputation, and employee motivation.
Nice, that's all I want to hear from the interviewee. Okay, next question. Can you tell me what do you know about our company and where do you find this job?
Okay, so what I know, Muni is a leading digital financial service provider under Limit or ShopeePay or Cbank in Indonesia. I understand that Muni focuses on improving financial accessibility through technology, while maintaining a strong communication is crucial for Muni to sustain brand positioning and market leadership. Especially as the company rapidly grows. This is why I'm excited about this role. It directly contributes to employee alignment, brand consistency, and strategic initiatives across the department. And from what I understand, your company really focuses on building strong corporate reputation and keeping employees engaged through clear and consistent internal communication. Work closely with senior management to make sure messages are aligned with the company values and help employees feel connected to the brand. I also know that your organization handles many cross-division projects, and good project management is important to ensure everything is delivered on time. You put importance on teamwork, clear coordination, and effective communication across different teams.
Okay, as I heard, you have a really good knowledge about our company, so that's good. Okay, jump to the next question.
Okay.
What are your greatest strengths?
Okay, my strength is, I guess, I have a strong communication skill, both writing and verbal in Bahasa Indonesia and English. High sense of responsibility and ownership over my task. Good analytical thinking and the ability to break down complex information into clear message. Adaptability and eagerness to learn and fast-paced environment, strong teamwork and empathy, allowing me to work efficiently with different stakeholders or Asian mother.
Okay, right. Can you tell me what is your greatest weakness and how are you working to improve it? Like, how do you avoid it so it's not become like your distraction with your work, with your job?
One of think of my weakness is that is tend to be overly detail oriented, especially when working on communication material. Well, this help ensure accuracy. It sometimes slows me down to improve. I've been using time blocking and prioritizing technique to balance quality with efficiency. I've also trained myself to different tasks that require perfection from those that require speed.
Okay, so you still can avoid your weakness, like so it's will not be bothering your job. Can you?
Yes, of course. Okay. So my experience is when I'm doing my public relations stuff at GFest, we face a situation where promotional materials had to be revised close to the deadline due to unexpected sponsor changes. So I took the initiative to coordinate with the design team, content writers, and the event coordinator to ensure revision were aligned and delivered quickly. Through clear communication, prioritization, and teamwork, we managed to release update materials on time without compromising quality.
Okay. Next question. Can you tell me about a time you demonstrated leadership?
Okay,
When?
so based my own experience as a master of ceremony, I guess master of ceremony is maybe is one of my experience. And even support of GX Synergy, I had to coordinate with multiple teams from two universities. When I'm random chance acquired minutes before the event, I step up to guide team members calmly align the update flow and ensure everyone understood their responsibility. This experience taught me the importance of composure, quick discussion making, and clear communication.
Great. Okay. Can you give me an example how you work in a team, like back in your university era maybe, or how you work in your previous company maybe? Can you tell me?
So I want to tell you about my story in campus organization. I often work in a cross-division team for event execution. When creating communication material, I collaborate closely with the creative, documentation, and technical division. I make sure everyone stayed aligned through regular and check-in and clear messaging. I value teamwork where everyone feel heard and understanding that all of the job are shared goal.
Okay. What experience do you have that relates to this position?
Okay, my relevant experience. So first off, maybe public relation in GFest, so branding, stakeholder, MC, and communication support for GX Synergy, academic background in public administration with strong exposure to organization communication, stakeholder management and project planning, experience meeting deadline and managing multiple tasks during event and academic project.
Okay, great. What do you think are the biggest challenges in public administration today?
Yes, of course. Ensuring transparency and consistent communication with organization, managing rapid technological change and digital transformation, balancing stakeholder expectation in a fast-changing environmental, maintaining public trust through accurate and timely information. This challenge highlight the importance of strategic communication skill that also apply in corporate settings.
Nice. Next question. How will you handle conflict between staff members? So, if you have conflict between your staff or your friend or your teamwork, how do you handle to avoid it?
Okay, so in my opinion, I will start by listening to both sides separately to understand the root of case. After identifying the issue, I will facilitate a natural and respectful discussion to find the solution. My approach focuses on clarity, empathy, and ensuring the both individuals align on organization goals rather than personal difference.
How do you prioritize tasks when managing multiple responsibilities? So I want to ask you something. Are you can work under the pressure?
I guess yes.
Okay. How do you prioritize?
Okay, I usually classify tasks based on urgency and impact using methods like Eisenhower matrix. I start with high impact, time sensitive tasks while ensuring consistent progress on long term responsibility. I also maintain clear communication with team members to avoid duplicate efforts or miss a deadline. Yes.
So basically, our company needs an employee that look forward. So the question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Okay, in 5 years, I see myself becoming a communication specialist or project manager with deeper experience in corporate branding, I guess, maybe internal communication and strategic initiatives. I want to take one more responsibility, lead impactful project, and contribute meaningfully to organization culture and reputation.
Okay. What are your career goals?
Okay, so my main career goals is to build a strong foundation in corporate communication and project management. I am to become someone who can maybe translate idea into impactful communication strategies, support leadership, and help shape organizational narrative.
Okay. So the last question. The last question is crucial. You have to be careful when answering it.
Okay.
Because it's affected to
Okay.
your announcement.
Okay.
So the question is, what would you hope to accomplish in your first 90 days in this role?
Okay, so maybe in the first 90 days, I will to understanding the company first. I guess this is so very important. Communication strategy and branding guidelines and organization culture. Building a strong working relationship with key internal stakeholder or make friend, and then with partner, because if we have a best friend or have a good partner, learn is going on project is very good, and ownership of text with internal communication initiative contribute to connect, develop, and project execution while ensuring alignment with company value.
Okay, maybe that's all the 15 questions I have to ask you. Do you have any question for our company?
No, miss.
No. Can you give me a closing statement?
Okay, so my closing statement is thank you, Miss, for the opportunity to share more about myself and my experience. I'm genuinely excited about the possibility of contribute to this role, especially because it aligns with my passion for communication, organization, development, and cross-team collaboration. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, Mariza, thank you so much for your time and attention. So you wanna gather here with me
Yes.
doing an interview. Can you wait for the announcement maybe tomorrow or the next day?
Okay.
You can go back home, but be careful because it's rain outside.
Okay. Thank you
Thank you so much. Bye bye.